Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you. The Lord said, whom will you trust? You need to trust me. You need to trust my workings. I want you to lean on me. I want you to depend on me. Do not go towards my plans. Do not hinder my plans. Do not alter my plans. I want you to stay. I want you to stay on me. I want you to stay on my words. I want you to listen to me. I want you to hear me because I will speak. I will whisper things in your ears. I will work out good things in your life. I'm working things for good. I'll make it good. I will not make it bad. I am working for it. I am working. I'm not done working for it. And you'll see it very wonderful. You'll see it as a lovely flowers that keeps on blooming. You'll see it as a streams of waters that keeps on flowing. You are my precious daughters. You are my precious sons. Keep on walking to my truth. Keep on walking in the faith. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.